Hello everyone, how are you feeling today? Hi Gigi, okay? Gigi's okay. And hello Mr. Coco, how are you feeling?
Hi everyone! Hi Ayu! I'm feeling great!
Wow, that's amazing! Today we're going to have a bit of fun and we're going to learn some letter sounds. That means phonics. Let's start.
Phonics? Is that some kind of dance?
Not quite, Mr. Coco. Phonics means the sounds of the letters. We have a letter and that letter has a sound. Let's start.
Oh, I'm ready. Let's do it.
Oh, Mr. Coco, what's this?
Is it an apple?
Yes, that's correct. It's an apple. And we have the letter A, which makes the sound A. A, 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 apple. Can you say it with me? A, A, A. Very well. And now let's say it together. A, A, A. Good job. Okay, Mr. Coco, what about this one? What is it?
Looks like a balloon.
Yes, that's correct. That's a balloon. And for this, we have the letter B. And B makes the sound B. B. Balloon. B. 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 Say it with me. B. B. B.
Buh! Buh! Buh!
Very well. Now let's say it together. B. 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 Good job. What about this one, Mr. Coco? What is it?
I know this one. It's a cookie.
Yes, that's correct. It's indeed a cookie. And for cookie, we have the letter C, which makes the sound K. K. Cookie. K. 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 Say it with me. K. K. K.
K. K. K.
Very, very well. Fantastic job. Now let's say it together. K. 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 Good job. Look at this one, Mr. Coco. What is it?
It's a drum.
That's correct, Mr. Coco. It's a drum. And for drum, we have the letter D. And that makes the sound D. D. Drum. D. 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 Say it with me.
Duh! Duh! Duh!
Very well, Mr. Coco. Now let's say it together. D. 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 Good job. Mr. Coco, what about this one?
Is it an egg?
Yes, that's an egg. Good job, Mr. Coco. We have the egg and we have the letter E for it. And E makes the sound E. E. Egg. E. 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 Can you say it with me? E. 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 Very well, Mr. Coco. Now let's say it together. E. 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 Good job. What's this, Mr. Coco?
It's a fish.
Yes, that's a fish. You were right. We have the fish. And for the fish, we have the letter F. And F makes the sound F. F. Fish. F. 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 Say it with me. F. F. F.
F. F. F.
Very well. Fantastic. Now let's say it together. F. 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 Good job. What's this, Mr. Coco?
Are they grapes?
Yeah, they're grapes. And for grapes, we have the letter G. And G makes the sound G. G. Grapes. G. 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 Say it with me. G. G. G.
G. G.
Very well. Now let's say it together. G. 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 Good job. What's this, Mr. Coco?
Is it a hat?
Yes, it's a hat. It's a hat. And for hat, we have the letter H. And that makes the sound H. H. Hat. H. H. Hat. Say it with me. H. H. H.
Huh. Huh. Huh.
Very well, Mr. Coco. Now let's say it together. H. 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 Good job. What about this one, Mr. Coco? What's this?
It looks delicious. And it's an ice cream.
Yes, it is an ice cream. And for ice cream, we have the letter I. And I makes the sound E. E. Ice cream. E. 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 Can you say it? E. E. E.
E. E. E.
Good job, Mr. Coco. Now let's say it together. E. 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 Good job. What about this one, Mr. Coco? What's this?
It's a jelly. It's a jelly.
Yes, it is. That's jelly. And for jelly, we have the letter J. And that makes the sound J. J. Jelly. J. 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 Can you say it? J. J. J.
J. J.
Good job, Mr. Coco. Now let's say it together. J. 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 Good job. What's this, Mr. Coco?
Looks like a key.
Yes, that's a key. And for the key, we have the letter K. And K makes the sound K, 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 key. K, K, K. Can you say it? K, K, K. Good job. Now let's say it together. K, K, K. Good job. What's this one, Mr. Coco?
Looks like a lemon?
Yes, that's a lemon. And for the lemon, we have the letter L. And L makes the sound L. L. Lemon. L. 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 Say it with me. L. L. L.
L. L.
Very well. Now let's say it together. L. 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 Good job. Look at this one. What's this?
This, Ayu, is a muffin.
Yes, that's a muffin. And for muffin, we have the letter M. And M makes the sound M. M. Muffin. M. 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 Can you say it? M. M. M.
M. M.
Very well. Now let's say it together. M. 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 Good job.